god, a crane. Look at the crane. Yeah, I've seen it plenty of times, but you haven't. It's new here. And I've been gone for a while. But I think I'm back now. So welcome back to me and to you. To hopefully what is going to be a little bit longer activity than the last time. Yeah, it's really great. It feels so weird to be riding with a camera again. It was a while since I last did it. So it feels pretty heavy. The helmet feels super heavy right now. It's a lightweight helmet, it's carbon fiber, so it should weigh pretty much zero. It feels like it at least. We're not wearing a camera as well. That's what I like about the helmet. Dude, look at this slow Volvo. He's driving over the speed limit, but he's still slow. It feels slow for some reason. I don't know why. Could be that I'm blind to speed. I don't feel a speed. If you were driving like 40 or 45, then I would be super mad at you. Then I would have to overtake you ASAP. But as of right now, it's not that big of a rush. So I can wait a little, which I will. Ahead of this car, there's a lot of more cars. So overtaking this car wouldn't do much in the long run. And if I'm not, yeah, I was mistaken. I thought it was a cop up there, but it definitely is not a cop. But it is a slow-moving train of vehicles right here. Oh my god. Why are people like this? I wonder. I wonder. Oh, look, an ambulance. God damn it. I'm gonna do it like this, real quick. I think I handled that like a boss. I didn't block the ambulance and I didn't kill anyone. I think that's the requirement. And I didn't kill myself, of course. But I might, myself might count as anybody, so yeah. No one died, that's what I'm trying to say. And no one got hurt either. But, however, that ambulance encounter, well, it didn't force me to end up on this road. What forced me to end up on this road was the slow train of cars, you know, go super slow. I didn't want to be behind them, so I went here, because I can go a little bit faster here. Holy moly! I need to put in some gas in the motorcycle. Whoa! Oh my god! I need to put some gas in the motorcycle. In the motorcycle. In the motorcycle. Yes. Don't ask me why I'm like this. I don't know. I can't give you an answer, you know. There's so many pebbles on this road. Like, you want to go fast, you can't go that fast in this corner because it's a pretty sharp one. But there's dirt in it, so you can't even go the speed that you could go. So you have to go lower speed. And that's not fun. But it will make sure you live longer, so it's worth it, you know. I'd rather live long and a little bit slower but still fast than live super fast and not live anymore. Basically, that makes zero sense. I know, but yeah, life's not supposed to make sense. Life's supposed to be complicated. That's what gives life such charm. And you know, who wants to live an easy life where everything goes your way? You know, that's boring. Suffering and adversity brings character. Now, of course, you don't want to suffer too much. That I can accept. I'm doing a lot of hand signals, I notice. I don't know why, actually. It's pretty weird. But it's something I do a lot, so it's actually not that weird. It's pretty normal for me, but I might not be considered the most normal person. I mean, can you really consider someone who risks their life for some content normal? Not that I'm risking my life that much. Yeah. You shouldn't risk it too much. You might get some sick content out of it, but what does that matter when you're in a hospital and crippled and dying? You know, sure, you'll be remembered, but well, why should you care about other people remembering you? I'm not making any sense right now, so I'm gonna shut up for a while until I get my normal brain back. Wait, no, my normal brain is active right now. I need to get my fake brain out, because that's not as weird. Yeah, so I'll see you later.